a century, John Deere has defined power, durability, and innovation in the world of agriculture. But what if those same values were applied to the open road? Enter the 2026 John Deere Luxury Sedan, a machine that redefines what it means to drive with confidence, strength, and undeniable presence. One look, and you know this isn't just another luxury sedan. It's bold. It's commanding. The signature green and yellow accents pay homage to its legendary roots, while the sleek aerodynamic body, sculpted LED headlights, and a front grille that exudes authority ensure it stands apart from the crowd. This is where rugged heritage meets modern elegance. Step inside and you're not just in a car. You're in a sanctuary of craftsmanship and technology. Premium saddle-stitched leather, sustainably sourced wood accents, and an ultra-quiet cabin make every drive an experience in comfort. The 30-inch digital infotainment display, intuitive voice control, and AI-powered assistant ensure that convenience is always at your fingertips. And for those who crave the best in entertainment, the 20-speaker Bose sound system delivers an immersive audio experience that transforms every journey into a first-class escape. Performance? The John Deere Luxury Sedan is engineered to move. Under the hood, a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 roars to life, delivering an astonishing 550 horsepower. And for those seeking efficiency without compromise, an optional plug-in hybrid variant seamlessly blends power and sustainability. The advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension guarantee a ride that's both smooth and responsive, whether on city streets or the open highway. Safety has always been at the core of John Deere's innovations, and this luxury sedan is no exception. With an industry-leading driver assistance suite, including autonomous driving capabilities, lane keeping assist, night vision, and emergency braking, the 2026 John Deere Luxury Sedan is more than just a vehicle. It's your trusted companion on the road. John Deere has always been a symbol of progress, and this sedan is the next step forward. Tradition meets transformation in a way that only John Deere can deliver. This isn't just a luxury car, it's a new legacy. The question is, are you ready to drive it?